In front of me is ZTE Blade A34, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then tap on the switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back to standard keyboard by hitting this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on it here. To pin it, use this pen, tap on your text and click on the pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen, tap on your text and use bin icon. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!